how to join VC only servers in Roblox. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to join a voice chat only servers on any of the Roblox games, here's what you need to do. So to do that, first thing, just head over to your website called Rollimons. So once you inside here, just tap on the first link over here. You can also search in for Roblox games Rollimons and click on this games from the top of navigation bar, and once you hover over that, just select this game catalog. So once you select game catalog, you just need to search in for any of the games. So let's say I want to just click on this Squid Game over here. So once inside here, now what you need to do next is simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is places. So under here you shall see something like VC Lobby. So that means voice chat. So it will also provides voice chat gaming in gaming. So you can just tap on that particular option and just wait for a few seconds. And from over here you can just tap on this view on Roblox button and start playing your Roblox games, including your voice chat from over there. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.